Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Gurgaon, the Khushboo Chowk and IFFCO Chowk, two major intersections of Gurgaon, get two massive sculptures, giant bird and honeycomb, made of scrap metals on Monday. The sculptures were installed by GMDA in association with the M3M Foundation. The giant bird sculpture installed at Khushboo Chowk is made from approximately 3,000 kilograms of industrial scrap and will make you realize that the tiny birds chirping in our homes are now on the verge of extinction due to the radiation emitted from mobile towers. The silent appeal to save them will definitely be heard. The approximately 4,000 kg honeycomb structure made from industrial waste installed at IFFCO Chowk and the 1-ton weight bee convey the message that humans need to save them for their own future. If these bees become extinct, a silent apocalypse will wipe out human existence from the earth. To save ourselves, we need to protect these bees. To secure our future, we need to give them a better present and protect the environment. The sculptures were made by the 16 artists, selected from across the country, under the guidance of Sushil Sakhuja and Anuj Potter. In addition, 3 more sculptures made from industrial and plastic waste will be installed in Gurgaon. An art installation called G20, made from plastic waste, will be installed at Khushboo Chowk, which sends a message of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam along with a call to make the earth plastic-free. At the AIT Chowk, a 22-foot hand made of industrial waste holds up the earth, and 2 supporting hands will remind us that we have only one earth, which we need to save together and protect the environment. A sculpture of a cycle and cyclist will be installed at Rajiv Chowk to convey the message to use cycles to stay healthy, and it will also reduce traffic on the roads and protect the environment. Sudhir Singla, MLA Gurgaon, inaugurated the newly installed sculptures, said, "If we all work together towards protecting the environment and our fellow creatures, success will follow." Subhash Yadav, additional CEO of GMDA, said that they will extend all possible support to the efforts being made. The artworks make open spaces of the city more aesthetic, said Yadav. Payal Kanodia, the chairperson and trustee of M3M Foundation, said, "We are proud that not only have we been able to incorporate the talent of these young artists into the industry, but we have also taken another step towards environmental conservation under our Sankalp program." Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.